Scenario: a cargo vessel, the MV Boholano, is approaching a busy port entrance with restricted visibility due to heavy fog. The VTS for this port is Bohol Port VTS.
Bohol Port BTS, Bohol Port BTS, Bohol Port BTS. This is Motor Vessel Boholano, Motor Vessel Boholano, Motor Vessel Boholano. Call sign Charlie, Quebec, Bravo, 7, Niner, over.
Motor Vessel Boholano. This is Bohol Port VTS. Good afternoon. Over.
Bohol Port BTS, Motor Vessel Boholano. We are currently 5 nautical miles from the port entrance, proceeding at a reduced speed of 6 knots due to heavy fog. Visibility is estimated at less than half a nautical mile. Requesting information on any other vessel movements in the vicinity of the port entrance and any specific instruction for entry. Over.
Motor Vessel Boholano. Roger your information. Be advised that there is a small fishing vessel, the fishing boat San Miguel, departing the inner harbor channel. They are expected to clear the maintained entrance channel in approximately 15 minutes. Maintain your current course and speed, and exercise extreme caution due to the reduced visibility. Report when you sight the pilot boat. Over.
Bohol Port BTS, Roger. Understand, small fishing vessel, fishing boat San Miguel, departing inner harbor, expected to be clear in 15 minutes. Pilot boat en route, ETA 20 minutes at the outer pilot boarding station. Will maintain current course and speed and exercise extreme caution. Will report pilot boat in sight. Thank you. Bohol Port BTS, Motor Vessel Boholano, out.
Motor Vessel Boholano. You are welcome. Bohol Port VTS out.